Number 1. Listen to a teacher talking to a class.
Okay, class, I think everyone is finished with the quiz, so let's mark it. Pass your quiz to the student behind you. If you're the last person in the row, bring your quiz to the student at the front of the row. Okay, everybody go ahead and exchange your quizzes now.
What will the teacher probably do next? Number 2. Listen to a teacher talking to a class.
It's been raining all morning, and I'm afraid the field is too wet. So we'll have to postpone track and field until Friday. I know you are all excited about doing track and field today, but it's not possible. So I guess today we'll just play a game in the gym. How about a game of dodgeball?
What is probably true about the teacher? Questions 3 through 6. Listen to a conversation between two friends at school.
Hey, Tara. Could I borrow a couple of dollars for lunch today? I can pay you back tomorrow.
Sorry, but all I have is $2, and I need that for lunch. What happened to your lunch money?
My dad gave me some money this morning, but it must have fallen out of my pocket on the bus. If I don't eat lunch today, I think I'll starve.
Did you check out the main office? The bus driver may have found it and taken it there.
No, I didn't think of that. I guess I'll check there before lunch.
If it's not there, you could go to the principal's office and ask him if you could eat lunch for free today. You could tell him that you lost your money and that you'll bring the money tomorrow.
Do you think he'd let me do that? Have you ever talked to Principal Kenner before?
I've never talked to him before, but I've heard he's nice. I'm sure he won't let you starve.
Yeah, you're probably right. I'll see if the money's in the main office. If it's not, then I guess I go see Principal Kenner.
Now answer the questions. Number 3. What are the students mainly discussing? Number 4. Why does the boy have no lunch money today? Number 5. Why does the girl mention the main office? Number 6. What can be inferred about Principal Kenner? Questions 7 through 11. Listen to a teacher talking in a biology class.
Today, let's talk about the dangers of invasive species. Invasive species are plants, animals, or insects living in places where they are not meant to be. Because invasive species are not native to the places they live in, they can do serious damage to the environment around them. Before we go any further, does anybody have any questions about what an invasive species is?
I don't get it. How could a plant or animal be living in a place it's not meant to be?
Good question. People often carry invasive species, by mistake or sometimes on purpose, to places they are not meant to be. For example, brown tree snakes arrived on the South Pacific island of Guam by airplane about 60 years ago. The snakes sneaked onto airplanes without people seeing them. After the planes landed on the island, the snakes reproduced a lot, causing problems for wildlife on Guam.
What kinds of problems?
Well, one problem is the brown tree snakes have eaten many birds living on Guam. In fact, 10 species of birds that used to live on the island are now gone. Brown tree snakes have also eaten many of the island's bats and lizards. Also, there are now more insects on the island than there should be. This is because there are fewer birds, bats, and lizards to eat them.
Then why doesn't Guam just get rid of the brown tree snakes?
They have tried, but the brown tree snakes are hard to get rid of. The government has had a difficult time reducing the population of brown snakes. You see, There are not many predators and diseases on the island to kill the snakes, so they just keep reproducing and coming back. Also, there aren't a lot of other snakes on the island, so they don't have to compete for the same food.
Now answer the questions. Number 7. What is the teacher mainly discussing? Number 8. Why does the teacher mention airplanes? Number 9. What effect has the brown tree snake had on birds in Guam? Number 10. According to the discussion, why are there too many insects on Guam? Number 11. What is one reason that Guam has been unable to get rid of the brown tree snake?